In this video, I will show you how to use TapTap Send to send money to Nepal. To do this, what you want to do is just open up the TapTap Send app, and here you're going to search for Nepal, and then choose how much you would like to send. For example, 30 euros. Now from there, you're going to click on Next, and now click Add New Recipient, or if you already have the recipient, you can also select them. Then choose the delivery method, for example use cash pickup, and then here enter the recipient's details. Now it may be slightly different if you chose a bank account, since you will also need to enter their bank details. Now after entering those details, if you also selected a cash pickup, you will need to enter the home address of the recipient. After doing that, choose how you want to pay for the transfer. I'll use Ideal, and then enter your date of birth if it's your first transfer. Now after doing that, you have an overview right here. Now you can go and click on pay with whatever you're paying with, and after you pay for it, the money will be on its way to your recipient. So now you know how to use TapTap Send to send money to Nepal. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.